Up a style on it. Who else has got some ideas? Who's got some modified product ideas that could actually get some results on Amazon? They're just to bring something up that people are ideally maybe typing into Amazon. Anyone?
Really cool.
Lunchboxes.
Easy access.
Lunchboxes?
Women's lunchboxes, ladies' lunchboxes, men's lunchboxes, electric lunchboxes.
Electric lunchboxes. You know what is big now? The foldable niche. So foldable, just take foldable as a modifier and apply that to a product. It could be foldable lunchbox, or it could be ski poles, foldable ski poles, right? Heavy duty ski poles. Who's gone skiing and broken the ski pole? Happens to me all the time, right? Now I'm going to give you some ideas now, guys, but this is a good spreadsheet. I mean, I don't use this as often as I used to, but this would just get you thinking, I don't want to just bring in a basic lunchbox. I want to modify it in a way where it will give me some either a niche result, right? Rather than just bringing a basic black or white lunchbox, I want a small lunchbox, maybe a foldable lunchbox, maybe one that sort of folds down potentially, maybe one that's eco or bamboo or sustainable. Does that make sense? Like, yeah, insulated, it could be protective, it could be, there's ones these days actually, lunchboxes that you have in your car where you plug it into the USB charger and it's actually a little refrigerated unit in there. Have you guys seen that before?
Yeah.
They're actually emerging right now. They keep your car, your food actually quite refrigerated and cool. Okay.